Hi students, good morning. Hearty welcome to online class. Now I am going to explain Unit 1 number system. Example 7. Okay. Add 1 into 1 by 2 and 2 into 1 by 3. I repeat the question. Add 1 into 1 by 2 and 2 into 1 by 3. Okay. This is mixed fractions. Okay. So mixed fraction convert into fraction. Solution. Here write the question 1 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 3. Okay. So mixed fraction convert into fraction. Listen. Cross multiplying. Listen. Cross multiplying 1 into 2. Okay. 1 2s are 2. 2 plus 1. 3 divided by 2. Plus here multiply cross multiplying 2 3s are 6 plus 1. 7 divided by 3. Okay. Listen. The LCM of 2, 3 is 6. Okay. 3 by 2 plus 7 by 3 equal to both numerator and denominator multiplying 3. 3 3s are 9 divided by 2 3s are 6. Okay. So next 7 divided by 3. Both numerator and denominator multiplying 2. Okay. 7 2s are 14 divided by 3 2s are 6. Okay. Listen. Both denominators are equal. Students, do you know like fraction? Like fraction mean a different numerator. Okay. So different numerator and same denominator is called like fractions. Okay. So 9 plus 14 divided by 6 equal to 23 divided by 6. Okay. So 3 into 5 divided by 6. Okay. 6 3s are 18 plus 5 23. Okay. Answer is 3 into 5 by 6. Example 8. Find the difference between 4 into 3 by 10 and 1 into 2 by 15. Okay. I repeat the question. Find the difference between 4 into 3 by 10 and 1 into 2 by 15. Solution. Here write the question. Okay. So difference mean subtraction. Okay. 4 into 3 by 10 minus 1 into 2 by 15. Okay. Listen. Cross multiplying 4 into 10. 4 tens are 40 plus 3. 43 divided by 10. Minus 1 15s are 15 plus 2. 17 divided by 15. Okay. The LCM of 10 comma 15 is 30. Listen. 10 comma 15. 5 2s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 5 into 2 into 3 equal to 30. The LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. 43 divided by 10 minus 17 divided by 15 equal to both numerator and denominator here multiplying 3. Okay. So 43 into 3 equal to, listen, 199. Okay. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. 129 minus 17 into 2. Listen, 7 2s are 14. Remaining 1. 1 2s are 2 plus 1. 3. 34. 129 minus 34 divided by 30. Okay. 129 minus 34 equal to 95 divided by 30. Listen. 6 5s are 30. Okay. 19. Listen. 6 5s are 30. 19 5s are 95. Okay. Listen. 19 into 5. Okay. 9 5s are 45. 5. Remaining 4. 1 5s are 4 plus 1. 9. So 95. Okay. So 19 divided by 6. 6 3s are 18 plus 1. 19. Okay. 3 into 1 by 16. Answer is 3 into 1 by 16. Example 9. Simplify 2 into 5 divided by 12 minus 3 divided by 14 plus 1 into 7 by 8. I repeat the question. Simplify 2 into 5 divided by 12 minus 3 divided by 4 plus 1 into 7 by 8. Okay. Solution. Here write the question. 2 into 5 divided by 12 minus 3 divided by 4 plus 1 into 7 by 8. Okay. Listen. Mixed fraction convert into fractions. Okay. 12 2s are 24 plus 5 29 divided by 12. Minus 3 by 4 plus 1 8 are 8 plus 7 15 divided by 8. The LCM of 12 comma 4 and 8 is 24. Listen. 12 comma 4 comma 8. Okay. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Listen. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. LCM of 12 comma 4 and 8 is 24. Listen, 29 divided by 12. Both numerator and denominator multiplying 2. 29 into 2 is equal to 58. 12 into 2, 24. Okay, 58 divided by 24. Next, 3 by 4 equal to 3 by 4. Both numerator and denominator multiplying 6. Okay. 6 3s are 18 divided by 6 4s are 24. 18 divided by 24. 15 divided by 8 equal to 15 into both numerator and denominator multiplying 3. Okay. So 15 3s are 45 divided by 8 3s are 24 divided by. Okay. Listen, all the denominators are equal. Okay. So 58 minus 18 plus 45 divided by 24. 85 divided by 24. Okay. 3 into 13 divided by 24. Answer is 3 into 13 divided by 24. Next, example 10. Deepika bought 4 into 1 by 2 kilogram of mangoes and yes, 7 into 1 by 3 kilogram of watermelons. What is the total weight of fruits purchased by her? Okay. I repeat the question. Deepika bought 4 into 1 by 2 kilogram of mangoes. Okay. And yes, 7 into 1 by 3 kilogram of watermelons. What is the total weight of fruits purchased by her? Okay. Solution. Total weight of fruits purchased by Deepika. Okay. Listen, 4 into 1 by 2 kilogram of mangoes. Okay. Plus 7 into 1 by 3 kilogram of watermelons. Okay. Mixed fraction, convert into fraction. Okay. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 divided by 2. Plus 7 3s are 21 plus 1, 22 divided by 3. LCM of 3 comma 6. LCM of 2 comma 3 equal to 6. Okay. Both numerator and denominator multiplying 3. Here multiplying 3. Okay. 9 3s are 27 divided by 6 plus both numerator and denominator multiplying 2. Okay. 12 to listen, 22 into 2, 44 divided by 6. Okay. Listen, denominators are equal. 27 plus 44 equal to 71 divided by 6. 71 divided by 6 kilogram. Listen, 11 into 5 divided by 6 kilogram. Answer is 11 into 5 divided by 6 kilogram. Exercise 2.2. Question number 1. Find the sum. I repeat the question. Find the sum. Subdivision 1. 2 divided by 17 plus 5 divided by 17. Solution. Here write the question. 2 divided by 17 plus 5 divided by 17. Listen. Here denominators are equal. So denominators are equal. Numerators are different, mean like fractions. Okay. So listen. Here adding numerators. 2 plus 5 divided by 17 equal to 7 divided by 17. Answer is 7 divided by 17. Subdivision 2. 5 by 12 plus 1 by 6. Solution. Here write the question. 5 divided by 12 plus 1 by 6. The LCM of 12 comma 6 is 12. Listen. 12 comma 6. 6 2s are 12. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 3. 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3. So 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 3. 12. Okay. The LCM of 12 and 6 is 12. 5 divided by 12 equal to both numerator and denominator multiplying 1. 1 5s are 5 divided by 1 12s are 12. 1 by 6 equal to both numerator and denominator multiplying 2. 1 2s are 2, 6 2s are 12. 2 divided by 12. 5 plus 2 divided by 12 equal to 7 by 12. Answer is 7 by 12. Next is subdivision 3. 9 by 24 plus 7 by 12 plus 11 by 16. Solution. Here write the question. 9 by 24 plus 7 by 12 plus 11 by 16. The LCM of 24 comma 12 and 16 is 48. Okay. 9 by 24 equal to both numerator and denominator multiplying 2. 9 2s are 18 divided by 24 into 2, 48. 7 by 12. Both numerator and denominator multiplying 4. 7 4s are 28 divided by 48. 11 by 16, both numerator and denominator multiplying 3. 33 divided by 48. Okay, all the denominators are equal. adding the numerators. Okay, 18 plus 28 plus 33 equal to, listen, 79 divided by 48. Okay, 1 into 31 divided by 48. Answer is 1 into 31 divided by 48. Students, homework for this day. Exercise 2.2, question number 1, subdivision 4. Solve this problem in your homework note. Thank you, students.